Hi, I'm Brett Anderson and I'm here to show you how to plan your projects quickly and effectively so you can control your projects with less effort and less stress, even when there are continual changes to your project. What I'm going to show you is how to efficiently use Microsoft Project to leverage your time on managing projects so you have less stress and higher productivity. No matter what your project is or what size it is, if you plan effectively and track your progress accurately, then you'll have a lot more control and ease with running your projects. I recently worked with a construction company who had 6 large building projects on the go. I was called in because the boss was unsure of the finish dates for the projects, and there were continual clashes and delays between the projects due to them wanting the same resources at the same time. He had site supervisors who listed different jobs for each of their projects in an Excel spreadsheet, but the process and the order to complete the projects were mapped out in their heads. The problem was that no one was sure about how their project was progressing to the contract finish date. There was always work being done on site, but some things couldn't get done because parts and materials hadn't arrived, or the trades were waiting on other trades to finish before they could start their jobs. It soon became clear that there was a lack of certainty around the actual finish date compared to the contracted finish dates. Their clients were wanting to know when the house was going to be completed. The boss wanted to know when his supervisors would be available for the next project, and the supervisors just wanted a better way to run their projects. The fundamental problem was there wasn't a detailed plan for each project, and they weren't all drawing from a combined resource pool, so the boss could then see the requirements for his resources over all of his business. We worked with this client to quickly and effectively develop project plans for each project and to develop the resource pool to give the boss certainty around finish dates for his projects, to identify the issues that were actually being encountered by the site supervisors on site, and to put in place plans to mitigate the issues. By preparing the detailed plans, the boss was then able to reliably advise his clients of when the projects would be finished, and he was able to analyse the upcoming availability of his core team and set about winning more business. What you'll have from my training is the ability to plan your project effectively. You'll see a clear map of how you can run your project. You'll see how long the project takes and how much the project costs, and also who does what and when. So when are your team required and what are they doing? So you can manage your team effectively and look ahead at the upcoming work. You'll be able to communicate your plan clearly to your team members and align them with the project requirements. When we plan, we're planning the future, and some things may change. Tasks may take longer, or they may get delayed. I'll show you how to track your progress, and I'll show you what information to record. You can then see the impact of change in your project, and this will allow you to make informed decisions on how to catch up for lost time and bring your project back on track. By following my methods, you'll lead your project to success. You will be proactive in your project rather than reactive. You'll run your projects more efficiently. You'll have the confidence to deliver your project on time and to budget. So in all the years I've been training Microsoft Project, people tell me building a project plan is difficult. When you're building a plan, you're building a plan of the future, and things will change. I'll show you how to quickly and effectively update your project plan to keep it accurate and to keep your project on track.